Hey guys, welcome back to Women Time Daily. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful Louis Vuitton knockoff tote bag. So if you want to learn how to make this using your Cricut, not paying thousands of dollars, then go ahead and keep watching. So first we have to start out with the pattern on Cricut. You do not need to pay a single dollar for the most part, any patterns on Cricut. Search up Louis Vuitton pattern. You're gonna go to images. Pick one of those photos. I'm going to choose that's already in black and white. So I'm gonna save the image, go to Cricut Design, upload, select from photo library, pick that Louis Vuitton photo, and now we're gonna clean it up. So hit that white space. Now you see on the right, a lot of the circles and the diamonds and the like flowers in between, they don't have the details. So you have to manually go in and touch all of those spaces that you don't want in the photo to be cut. Now I'm gonna hit next. It's gonna ask if I want to despeckle or smooth. The image looks perfect to me, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna hit next. And then I'm gonna name it Louis Pattern. It's gonna ask you if you want to cut it or print it. Because we're using vinyl, we're just gonna straight cut it. You're gonna go ahead and click that image and make this pretty large. So when I hit make it, I want it to fill up that entire thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep making it big until, so now it's saying it's too big, which is good. I'm gonna go down a little bit. You don't have to mirror the image because it is not an iron-on. You are using adhesive. Hit continue, and you're gonna send it to your Cricut machine. Mine is currently off, so I'm gonna go turn that on. Be right back. So because I'm a mama, I have to check on this guy in between and make sure he's okay. It looks like he missed me. You missed me? More like muted yellowish color, but I feel like the gold will, just smack myself, I feel like the gold will stand out more. So this is why I'm going to choose this metallic gold instead of a matte yellowy mustardy color. You're just going to insert this. Oh, come on. Perfect. Now that it has a good grip on it, you are going to make sure this is on regular vinyl. I'm going to click here. Then this is gonna flash for you to be able to start your project. I'm gonna go ahead and go and let it do its thing. It's about to start. So while that cuts, I just wanna quickly tell you about Women Time Daily and our mission. We are a group of everyday women looking to motivate, uplift, and inspire other women through topics of like fashion, in business, motherhood, creativity, and more. Comment down below ideas you'd want to see next, and make sure you check out our shop because we have really cute hats and we just added more colors. Do us a favor and check out our shop, get one of these beauties, or read our latest blog posts, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to this channel. I just heard the machine turn off, so let's get back to making this project. Now it's time for the weeding part. So I have my weeding tools here. What I'm mainly going to use is this one. By the way, this is from Amazon. I'll link exactly where I get stuff below. But this is the weeding tool you will be using. So I just grab a piece from the outside that I'm not going to be using. I cut it through. Pull off what I can. This is also from Amazon. I will also link this below. I've had this seriously forever and it's never run out. Cool. You're just going to make sure, you know, rub that on. That way you make sure you get everything on there. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.